So I made this table that I'm sitting on right now, and I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on how I built this design right here. So let's roll the intro. So there's a few things you're gonna need to make this project.
To start the project, you're going to need one light wood, a darker wood, another type of lighter wood, and a circ saw. So here I am, just cutting the first wood into correct lengths. I did a few more cuts on the table saw, and then started to cut the second and third on the table. And then to make sure everything was perfectly flat, I sent all the pieces through the planer. And then I sanded it as I was going to glue each wood on top of each other. And now that the pieces are all sanded to perfection, I'm going to glue them up all on each other. I missed the part where I glued the marabou wood in between the first wood, but we'll skip over that part. Now I'm setting through the planer again just to make sure everything's nice and flat. So I set it up on the table saw 30 degrees angle and cut as shown in the video. After this process was done with the lighter wood, I did it again with the marabou. Now these guys came out at a funny shape, so I had to cut them off 90 degrees to get that design working nice. Now these cuts here is me cutting the height of some of the pieces that I made because of some mistakes that I made previously.
At the end, I ended up with 6 strips like this, with the dark wood in the middle, and then I had 6 strips with the lighter wood in the middle.
Now comes the fun part where I get to glue up the design together. I got the light piece, dark piece, light piece, dark piece, light piece, dark piece. And after the gluing was all done up, I cut through the end grain design. Once I finished cutting up the strips, I glued them all together, flipping every single second piece. So this next part made me realize that for the dimensions of the table, I didn't make enough of the design, so I repeated the whole process again, making sure I made heaps more of the design again. Once I repeated the whole process again, I glued all the pieces up again like I did before, and still I was short on design, so I had to add another design to make sure it fit the dimensions of the table. And once all that was done, I squared the design on a 90 degrees angle. And then I proceeded to sand it to a nice 320 grit. And then I used a nice clear varnish. And these are the videos that I took at the end, and that's the design.
Now I just want to say a big thank you if you got this far into the video. Make sure you like it, subscribe, comment, and watch the first video I've done, the second video, and I'm going to leave the 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th here. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe. There's a lot more posting coming, and I'm just going to leave with some outro footage. So, goodbye.